Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Good.
What is this?
Basketball.
Okay.
Basketball.
Okay. MashaAllah, good. And yeah, what is this?
A flower sticker.
Flower sticker. Okay. Wow. Everything for every adventure. Yeah. Is it your book?
It's an activity book.
Oh, this is activity books. Okay. Show me more pages. Wow, it's very colorful. It's a beautiful images. It has some beautiful images in this book. Right, right, right. And read some sentences.
Would some
Okay, right. Can you read something from your book?
um, yeah,
Okay,
to be loved.
yeah, read it. Read one sentence.
So solve the maze. Help Fox find her way through the snowberry rainbow to find the next riddle.
Okay, and show me your drawing here. Drawing, your drawing, which you draw.
Up the
Wow, what is this?
penguin.
Right. Sakina Hajara. Right.
I'm making Suleiman.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Mama and Baba. Right. So beautiful. Good. Oh, it's a beautiful flower. Oh, color combination is so good. Wow. Good. Oh, wow. It's a beautiful. This is the teddy bear. Okay. And are you ready to read Dua? Right. Okay. Now I'm going to share laptop screen, right? So sit please manually. Okay, Skina, please read Dua. أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
رب اشرح لي صدري
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما.
ओके परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरह सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सके आमीन से ही मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम said.
You must always something my Lord is not for me, my second for me, my task, and then time out for my tongue that I will stand with future.
Oh wow, so fast. Okay. May I introduce my lovely and very intelligent student Sakina Ahsanullah Qureshi from Canada. How are you, beta?
Good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
This is Sakina. Okay, Sakina, this is your lesson. And can you read these letters? Which letter is this?
Noon.
Okay, Shabash. Which sign has on the top?
Zabar.
Zabar. Very good. MashaAllah. Due to Zabar, Noon sound become Na. Right? Noon, Zabar, Na.
Noon Zabar Na.
Okay. Tell me second one. Which letter is this?
Za.
Okay, good. This is Za. Which sign has?
Zabar.
Zabar. Due to Zabar, Za sound become Za. Okay. Za sound remain the same. Za. Okay. Read all together. Na, Za. Na, Za. Okay. Tell me this one. Which letter is this?
Lam.
Lam. Okay. Which sign?
Zabar.
La. Lam, Zabar.
La.
Okay. Good. Read all together.
Naza. La.
Nazala. Okay, good. Wow, mashallah. Yes, it has gone. Orange color has been gone because you read correctly. Yeah, okay. Next one. Read next one. Which letter is this? Is it Jim or Ha?
Ha.
Ha, yes. Ha, Zabar.
Zabar.
Ha, Zabar, Ha.
Ha. Zabar.
Okay. Okay. Which letter is this?
Lam. Zabar.
Yes. La. Yes. Ha. La. Khala. Khala.
Khala.
And which letter is this? Khalaqa.
Khalaqa.
Yes. Khalaqa.
Khalaqa. 1 second.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
My sister wants to say hi too. Hi.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Where is she? Oh, mashallah. Hajra. Assalamu alaikum, Hajra.
Assalamualaikum.
Hello, Hajra.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, mashallah. Hajra, what do you do?
I play dolls.
Okay, wow. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Oh, blue. And what's your favorite fruit?
Two.
Okay, right. And what's your favorite dish?
Fruit.
Okay, right. Mashallah. And tell me, do you love your papa or mother?
Papa and Mama.
Good, mashallah, good answer. Okay. Do you love your elder sister? Do you like your sister?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Mashallah, good girl. Okay. Hajra, please read any poem. Okay. Sing any poem. Hmm? Okay, sing both of you. Both of you sing. Sing poem.
3, 4, 5. Once I got a whistle at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because I bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger. Oh my God.
Hooray! Wow, wonderful. Wow, again, new one. Poem. Sing. Another one.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, what you sing with me?
Okay. Wow, mashallah. Good. Okay. Okay, Skina, mashallah. Thank you very much. Mashallah. See you tomorrow. Take care, beta. That's enough. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Yep, I know. I know. Okay, beta. See you tomorrow. Take care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah.